The 2027 Haval SUV is discovered abandoned inside an old dusty garage. The vehicle is heavily covered in mud, dust, dried leaves, and surface grime. Paint is faded and scratched. Cinematic lighting, realistic dust particles, 4K. Today, our restoration workshop welcomes a Haval SUV, ready for a meticulous deep clean. First, the powerful pressure washer takes aim, blasting away layers of thick, caked-on mud from the body, wheels, and every hidden crevice.
Scene opens in a dimly lit high-end showroom at night. The only light source seems to emanate from the subject itself. A slow, deliberate push-in begins, gliding smoothly towards the front of the 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The vehicle is pristine, its glossy black paint acting as a flawless mirror, reflecting the soft overhead studio lights with perfect clarity. The camera continues its approach, the iconic three-pointed star on the grille glowing with a gentle, confident luminescence. The intricate details of the advanced headlamps become visible, their crystalline structures capturing and refracting light. The shot is ultra-realistic, with every surface rendered in stunning 4K detail, emphasizing the car's premium, luxurious aura. The camera movement comes to a soft stop, settling on a dramatic close-up of the grille. The shallow depth of field blurs the background, focusing all attention on the masterful craftsmanship. The scene is a silent testament to engineering and elegance, where shadows and reflections play to create an atmosphere of unparalleled sophistication.